Introducing the easy-to-use cold brew maker. Brewing your morning magic has never been so simple. Finding a place in your kitchen and your routine. Lift the lid, and you're just steps away from gourmet cold brew. Wake up to fresh cold brew. Just add your favorite coffee grounds, pour in water, steep overnight, and there you go. Enjoy fresh cold brew in the morning with zero mess, thanks to our stainless steel filter. And cleanup? A breeze. Our heavy-duty filter is durable, ensuring long-lasting, perfect iced coffee. Relish the purity of your brew with our durable mason jar, absolutely chemical-free. Customize your brew to fit your mood, milk, sugar, or neat. The perfect addition to your home office. Brew while you work and make every moment delicious. Making delicious cold brew at home has never been this easy. Get your easy-to-use cold brew maker today and elevate your coffee experience.